What's good, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about a personal loan option where you don't have to worry about your credit getting hit with an inquiry just to apply. You also can put down whatever your income is, and there isn't really a income verification as far as documentation is concerned. And also, you can get up to $100,000. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. If you want your credit score to drop 100 points, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop, just like this. As mentioned, today we're going to be talking about a personal loan option from Wells Fargo, and basically it's an option where you don't have to worry about your personal credit being checked. So you can apply without any worry, and you don't have to worry about seeing a drop to your credit score just to see if you can qualify for that $100,000. And also, as you can see here on the screen, they have rates as low as a 5.74 APR. Now with that is not, the lowest of interest rates that are out there, but it is still a pretty decently low interest rate. And of course, to get that rate, you're going to have the best credit score based on their scale of what they are looking for, because usually it's a scale. If your score is in a certain range, you'll get a certain interest rate. So you definitely have to be in the 700s, probably mid to high 700s, in order to get that lowest interest rate that they have listed there. Also, to get the $100,000, of course, that's going to be what most of you guys are going to be aiming for. You do have to, of course, have a really good situation going to get the full $100,000. They'll be looking at, of course, your credit score. They'll be looking at your income and your debt to income ratio, of course. And they're also going to be looking at your relationship with them. So, do you have any accounts with Wells Fargo? How long have you been with Wells Fargo? Do you have any other credit products in good standing with them as well? All of those things are going to go into their determination for how much money that they are going to be able to give you. But let's look at some of the features of this loan. As you can see here, you can get anywhere from $3,000 to $100,000 with terms all the way from 12 months to 84 months. You have competitive rates that they mentioned there. They don't have a whole bunch of the fees that might be a concern, usually, like no origination fee, no closing fee, and also no prepayment penalty, meaning you can pay this back early without having to worry about them charging you fees for trying to pay it back early. All of that is, really good stuff. As well as you have the ability to get the money faster than, what you might expect. Often the same day, they say, and sometimes the next business day if you are approved. So you can get this money relatively fast, if you actually get approved for this. Now, I'm going to let you know that this option isn't usually going to be a good option for those that have less than perfect credit. With Wells Fargo, they usually want you to have a really good credit score for most of their products. And also, even if you do have a lower credit score, like maybe not in the 700s, maybe you're in the high 6s or something like that, you can possibly still get approved, and they may also alter how much money you get. Of course, they're going to alter the interest rate in that situation as well. Now, if you are having issues with your credit and you needed to try to start, building up your credit, then I want to let you know that I do have a Cyber Monday sale going on right now on my best course, teaching you how to do everything from disputing to building credit, settling your debts, all of those things that you might need to do to try to improve your credit. I have a crazy sale on it right now that I've never done before, and I'm probably not going to do it again. But right now for Cyber Monday, you can take advantage of that crazy sale. So go ahead and check that out in the description if you do need to work on your credit because you think you may not be able to qualify for an option such as this. But for those of you that do know that your credit is already where it needs to be, this is probably going to be a good option. And as I mentioned before, they roll with the income that you state on the application and don't require much verification after that as far as paperwork goes. So, this is a good option for you to try to get approved for some money that you may need for, maybe getting a business started, or maybe you have a move that you're about to do and you need some funds, or, it could be a whole bunch of different things, a home improvement project, whatever it is. this is an option that you can use. So, this is something you can check out, apply, and not hurt your credit to see if you apply. Also, you get to take a review out on what is offered to you as far as the interest rate, the loan amount, and you can decline it if it's something that doesn't work out for you. So you can do all of that with no impact to your credit score. So of course, that's the beauty in the no hard credit checks, especially when you're initially applying for loans and whatnot. So go ahead and check this out. I think it's going to be a good option. Wells Fargo has, been around for a long time, even though some people don't like them because of some of the things that they have done in the past. Overall, they're still a good bank. They still have good products out there like this one. So make sure that you do check them out. And, if you've already used this in the past, gotten something like this from them, please leave some comments down below for your experience with them. And, I look forward to seeing those and reading those. And if you got value from this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, and share this with some other people that might need the information. I'm also going to link to some other videos with some credit building products for those of you that may need some help again building up your credit, and some other videos on helping you work on your credit. So hopefully you got value from this video. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time.